Now, in this video, we're going to answer the following question. Amelia invests £5,000 into a savings account that pays 3.5% compound interest per year. She leaves the money in the account for 4 years. Calculate the total interest after 4 years. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, sharing this video, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Simple interest is calculated only on the original amount, then usually added on an annual basis. Compound interest, often characterized as interest on interest, is the interest earned on the original amount for the first year, then recalculated for subsequent years on accumulated interest. The compounding frequency can be less than 1 year, such as every month, or longer. This question is an example of compound interest. In maths, it's prudent to minimize the number of calculations we perform to reach an answer, limiting the possibility of making a mistake, especially for calculations that potentially require multiple steps. For percentage questions, a decimal multiplier is an efficient method to perform a percentage increase or decrease in a single multiplication step, and we can combine them to perform consecutive percentage increases. Answering this question is a 3-step process. First, we need to calculate the decimal multiplier for an increase of 3.5%. Then, multiply the original amount by that decimal multiplier, accounting for the 4-year time period. Before rounding the solution to 2 decimal places, given that the unit is pounds and pence. The question tells us that interest is added at 3.5% per year. If 100% is the original amount, adding 3.5 gives us 103.5%. To convert this to a decimal, we need to divide by 100, and 103.5 divided by 100 is 1.035. So multiplying by 1.035 increases any amount by 3.5%. And multiplying by 1.035 raised to the power of 4 performs 4 consecutive 3.5% increases. So 5,000 multiplied by 1.035 raised to the power of 4 is equal to 5,737 pounds and 62 pence. The total amount in Amelia's account after 4 years. the question tells us to calculate the total interest after 4 years. So we need to deduct the initial deposit of £5,000 from the total that we have just calculated after 4 years. So, £5,737.62 minus 5,000 is equal to £737.62. So the total interest earned after 4 years, and the answer to this question is £737.62. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.